From American football to reality TV, life took an unexpected turn. But now I'm on a new battlefield, pushing my limits, chasing the fight of my life to become a pro boxer. This is my journey. This is made for more.
Wait, but Kelz has this power, you know?
Something else Kelz has that I can see is composure. His face is very locked in. He doesn't seem as uncomfortable as he was in his first fight. He's taking his time. He knows the route to victory now. A guy like that who has such a great background in sports just needs to get a bit more comfortable with the sport. We've seen it with Le'Veon Bell. We've seen it with some other people, and we're seeing it now with Kelz.
And that's the difference. Chase has never had an opponent this big and this powerful in front of him. You know, Tempo Arts definitely has some power, but Kelz is just on a different level with that power. Can he execute? Can he find the target? But Chase is going to be hesitant because of that as soon as he feels a little bit of that power.
Probably one of the worst feelings in the world. Losing. The moment the fight ended, everything just went quiet. I could hear the crowd, but in my head, it was silence. I wanted to walk straight back to the locker room, but instead I found myself standing in the moment. Feeling the weight of it all. I didn't want a pat on the back. I didn't want to hear, "You did your best." Because I know I didn't. I wanted to feel the pain, to remember this feeling, so I never had to feel it again. But after that, life kept moving, and so did I. That's how I ended up in Bali. Originally, I was meant to be celebrating it, but instead, I came here to reset, to figure things out. The block has become my second home. Every morning, I walk in, gloves in hand, ready to work. Training with Alfaro, I feel like I'm starting from scratch again. Maybe that's what I need.
Gonna be moving. First round, I just want you move a lot. And when I give you clap, you're gonna be do 1-2. First, second round, I give you 3 rounds. First round, sharp jab. Move a lot and sharp jab. Just single. When I clap, you give me jab.
I spend time just being alone in my thoughts. The beach, the quiet. Out here, I can think clearly. I can reflect. And it's in these moments that I realize something. This isn't the end. This is just another chapter.
Beautiful. 1-to-1. Connecting. Yes. Yes. 3 step. 3 step. That's it. Nice. Nice. That's it, brother. Beautiful. Out. That. Yes. And very. Sleep. Sleep. Yes. Nice. 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 Yes, you're gonna be go like this. Yes. 2 short, 1 long. 2 short, 1 long. Bam, bam, bam. Yes. Bam, bam, bam. That's it. That one.
I didn't want to touch my gloves when I first got here. I didn't even want to box. But the more I sat with the feeling, the more I realized I'm not done yet.
It's gonna be more good because you don't need to wait again. Yes. Boom, boom. Yes. Yes. And then after that,
I'm still at the beginning of my Misfits journey. Losing taught me a lesson, one I didn't know I needed. And now, I'm here rebuilding, stronger, sharper, smarter. This season isn't just about fighting, it's about the mental battles. The ones we don't see, the ones inside, the ones that define us.
Roll, or you gonna defense? Yes. Yes. And all the time like thinking about when you hit, not only like just throw like this, doing 100%. I mean like do 100% for make you confident, make you remember. Yeah. Yes, I want like that. That's 100% of you. Let's go.
I don't have all the answers yet, but I know one thing. If there's no enemy within, the enemy outside can't do us any harm. That's an African proverb. This is where I rebuild. This is where I come back stronger. This is made for more. The comeback.
Next time on Made for More.
Discipline yourself is not easy. You need to fight with yourself. Wake up in the morning, even when you're tired, even when you feel sad, it doesn't matter. You need to keep it up, wake up, running,